Okay, in the yard for you today we've got an Ihi 3/4 ton mini digger. Now then, this one's something a little bit different. We sold this digger a couple of years ago to an engineering fella who wanted it to do his own garden, and he did do his garden. He moved 50 tons of stuff with it, and then he's completely refurbished it while he's at it. And I do mean completely refurbished. Read the description, look at what he's done to it. We've got 3 buckets, grading bucket and 2 digging buckets, spur bottom roller, spur pins, seals. These are all genuine Ihi seals sent from Japan for each one of the rams in case you get a leak. Brand new tracks. It's all been repinned. New LED light. Nearly all new pipes right throughout. New gaiters on the controls. New seat. Manual in English. Spur key. And if you look under here, it continues. All new pipes, all new clips, fuel filters, everything's been done on it. This might not be the cheapest 3/4 ton micro digger on the market, but I don't think you're going to find a better one. Watch the rest of the video. It operates as well as it looks. It's a cracking little digger. There's no VAT to pay on it, and it's had absolutely everything done.